What is the main verb? The main verb is one word in the sentence that expresses some type of existence or action. When looking at a verb phrase, it's important to identify the main verb. He is having lunch. Do you see where the main verb is? The main verb is right here, have. It has an ing ending, and here is a helping verb that is used to make the tense, the verb tense. This is in the present continuous tense. It's important to identify the main verb so that you know how to properly form it. Here's the simple form. This is the past tense. This is the past participle. And this is the present participle. Give, gave, given, giving. When you look at a sentence, you should be able to determine which one of these categories the verb is in. Here's the verb give in the present tense. Notice that the verb changes here. He, she, or it gives. The way to think about this is the present tense, and this is the simple form. This is the past tense, this is the past participle, this is the present participle. The reason this is not the same as this is because you use the verb in the simple form when making negatives or questions. Do, does, or did are used when making the negative or a question in the present tense or the past tense. In that case, you're using the simple form. If I put this into the past tense, the main verb is gave. In this case, I am using the past tense form of the verb. If it's in the present perfect tense, then the main verb is in the form of a past participle. Here's the verb give in the present perfect tense. The main verb is in the form of a past participle, given. I have given, you have given, he has given. It's all using the same main verb, which is give. But it takes the form of a past participle, given. Here the verb give is in the present continuous tense. The main verb is in the form of a present participle. You can consider it the present participle, or if you want to, you could consider that this is the verb give in the simple form and it's got an ing ending. There is a difference between the simple form and the present participle. The helping verb is the verb be. The main verb is the verb give with an ing ending. When talking about a main verb, you can refer to it in the simple form. So in this example, we can say the main verb is give. The main verb has an ing ending. In this sentence, giving is not the main verb. It's actually the subject. It's in the form of a gerund. The verb is. Giving is. So sometimes a word will look like a verb, but it'll function in some other way. It should have been easy. Do you see where the main verb is? It's right here. It's in the form of a past participle. These two verbs are helping verbs. The verb be is the main verb, and it's in the form of a past participle. This sentence has 4 words in a verb phrase. They weren't able to go. Do you see where the main verb is? Here's the main verb, go. It's in the simple form. In the past tense, the word is went, and as a past participle, go becomes gone. As a present participle, it's going. But here, it's in the simple form after the word to. They weren't able to go is just about the same thing as saying they couldn't go. So I can change the helping verb, but the main verb stays the same in the simple form. They are going, they went, they have gone. In each of these 3 sentences, the main verb is the verb go. Here it is in the form of a present participle. It's in the present continuous tense. Here it is in the past tense. This is the verb go in the past tense. This is the main verb. And here is the verb go in the form of a past participle. The helping verb is have.